Hi guys, Cacta here. I think I figured out what it is that's bugging me about this. I've never had bangs. I've never worn bangs, I don't think, in my entire life. So that's it. The other thing I just wanted to kind of mention is, in case you're wondering why I'm always wearing pajamas, it's usually because I'm not feeling well a lot of the time, and I just don't feel like getting dressed. I'm comfortable like this, and so yeah. So I hope that doesn't bother you, but it certainly doesn't me. Anyways, I'm so glad, Sylvia, Sil2289, that you introduced me to this UT. I just tested it out. Sorry. I just tested it out for the first time. As you know, I just got my melting pot like a couple days ago, and a pound. I just found out what it was. It was a pound of the UT in the jar. I'm glad I tested it first before I used it on my card. I didn't end up using it on my card because I don't think I'm quite used to it yet, and I don't want to destroy my card. But this is what it did. We got just two things. This brad that I made. Yes, it's one of mine. It looks like glass. I love it. And then I did this, I cut a heart out from the cardboard part of the paper packs. It was, I think, the front cover. Anyways, I cut a heart out, and then I ran it through my Cuddle Bug. Then I sanded it a bit and inked it some more. And it looked okay, but it was kind of blah. So I just decided to test it with the new UT. And it looks like glass. It's so pretty. And then I just wanted to experiment. So I started bending it, and of course it broke. But it didn't really come with any instructions, and I'm thinking, well, how could we get like broken glass for it to look like broken glass? And I'm still not sure, but I'm still experimenting. Anyways, the card, I just wanted to share this quickly. It's still not dry, but I did redo the bow, and it looks a lot better, I think. I put some this eucalyptus Stickles. I think this is going to be my favorite Stickles. It's just such a pretty green. So I used that on the flower, and yeah, okay, that was it. And then I put a little bling in the center there. But then I took the Stickles called Waterfall and did some on the bird. And then on the inside, I took a little flower that was from a set from Stampin' Up! And just went all over the card. And then I did one petal only with the magenta Stickles. And I decided to dot just the capital letters. So like just one letter in each of the words there. And I put a little bird told me spring is almost here. And I think my sister really likes this bird. So I did that, and I know it doesn't really match the front bird because the front of the card is really kind of nice and clean, classic sort of thing. And this is more whimsical. But she likes whimsical, so. And it just looks really cute for spring. We're both ready for spring. And then I just stamped it on the back, handmade by, and then put my name. But that's my card, and I think it just turned out really pretty. So that's it. I just want to remind you guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. When I get to 100 subscribers, as I announced the other day, I'm going to do a really nice giveaway. So I'm hoping to have that soon. I'm also kind of excited because I'm going to do a swap with someone. I've never done that. And I think actually 2. But anyways, that's all for now. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye. A special hi for Julie today.